We will discuss test tube babies. Okay, test tube. Right? What is test tube babies and why it occurs? What is the reason behind it? Okay, as already I told you when fertilization we had discussed, at that time I told you in some women might be with any reason fallopian tube or the oviducts are blocked. Okay, when these women, like in women, fallopian tubes are blocked, okay, due to any reason, due to some of the reason, I am not going to discuss the reason. Some of the reason, if fallopian tubes are blocked, women are not unable to bear the babies naturally. Fertilization नहीं हुई, then women are not able to bear a babies. ठीक है, अब when they are not able to bear babies, then means कि क्या करते हैं doctors, what they will do, they collect the freshly prepared eggs and the sperm, ठीक है, outside. They kept it for some time, okay, together. When they, if they will fuse together, then the zygote will be formed. They keep it zygote for a week. Okay, they keep the zygote as it is for a week. After that, they implant the zygote into the female body for further growth and the development. This is called the test tube babies, or you can say IVF, that is in vitro fertilization. Is this point clear? Okay, you can write down. In some women, so that is in IVF, that is in vitro fertilization. Okay, and these are also called the test tube babies. Is this point clear? How they and why they are, we are doing this process? Is it clear? Now the next is internal fertilization. As already we discussed, but now we will discuss in hands also. So write down internal fertilization, right? You can write it takes place in hens also. Okay, ji? It takes place in hens also. Okay, question can become like this: if the internal fertilization takes place in hens, then why hen lay eggs? Why they are not giving birth to the babies? Okay, तो इसी के साथ लिख लो, it takes place in hens also, but hen do not give birth to babies. But hens do not give birth to the babies. और साइड पे क्या लिख लो? Q. Question, right? Right, बेटे? It takes place in hens also, but they do not give birth to the babies like human being. Q. Why? Question can come. Yeah, what happened in that case? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Whatever the question. So what is our answer? Actually होता क्या है, पहले समझ लो कि as the fertilization occur, zygote form हो जाएगा. Zygote form होता है and as it move to the oviduct, जैसे वो travel करेगा oviduct में, it forms a protective layer around it. मतलब जैसे यहाँ से fallopian tube में यहाँ zygote बन गया, जैसे इसने यहाँ से यहाँ तक आना है, इतने ड्यूरेशन में ही what it will do, it will form the number of the protective layer. I know कि you already done in 5th class also. Egg का structure बनाया था, तो we used to make the 3 layers बनाते हैं, so that means ये अपने आसपास क्या कर लेगा, as the fertilization occur, it forms a protective layer. Number of protective layer form करता है, ठीक है. The hard shell, जो egg का white shell हम देखते हैं, that is one of the protective layer. ठीक है, उसने क्या करा, जैसे वो यहाँ से यहाँ आया, इतने टाइम पे it will form a protective layer around it. ठीक है, hard shell of an egg is one of the protective layer. जैसे वो protective layer बन गया, it will not stick to the uterus, क्योंकि अब वो stick मतलब protect एक layer बन गई and it comes out और the lay hen lay eggs. ठीक है, अगर hen lay egg दे दिया and if after that one the mother will sit on it, the hen will sit on that egg, ठीक है, and give the proper bonds to that one. ठीक है, तो further growth जो embryo है that will grow into a chick. ठीक है, it takes place 3 week लेते हैं. 3 week लगते हैं, then the hen sit on that egg, the further growth of the embryo takes place in that egg, ठीक है, and it hatches out as a chick. But otherwise, if it will not sit, then we can take it as a egg. And when it is giving the warmth to the eggs, then this period is called this process is called incubation. Is it clear? We discuss the two terms, that is the viviparous and oviparous. The definition just to note down. The animals which give birth to young ones, that is called viviparous animals, and those who are giving eggs is called oviparous animals. यहाँ एग्जांपल हो गया ह्यूमन बीइंग, डॉग, हाँ जी हाँ जी, we are animals. Frog, fishes, ठीक है, बटरफ्लाई, ठीक है, lizard, eggs. Now we are going to discuss life cycle of frog. सबसे पहले क्या हुआ वहां पे, and frog lays eggs, ठीक है, eggs hold together with the jelly like material, ठीक है, because they are not having the outer covering, so they hold together by the jelly like material. After that, when the egg hatches, then what it will come, larva, ठीक है, fish like larva, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, tadpole. जब एग हैचेस करते हैं तो यहाँ से यू कैन डू लाइक दिस आल्सो, ऐसे एक बना लो, सो दैट हमने इसी सर्कल पे बना दिया, ठीक है. अब जब एग्स है, व्हेन दे विल हैच आउट, दे विल फॉर्म अ फिश लाइक लार्वा, जिसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, टैडपोल. Now I told you कि tadpoles में क्या निश्चित हो जाती है, when they feed on the algae that is present in the water, they grow and develop the hind legs, ठीक है जी. अब ठीक है, you can erase also like this. कहाँ से, ठीक है, you can do like this, इस तरह से कर सकते हो, ठीक है. This is tadpole with legs. क्या हो गया, हाँ, तो tadpole जो है आप थोड़े लंबे बना लो, ठीक है. Then after that न्यूक्लियस ग्रो करता है, जब न्यूक्लियस ग्रो करेगा नाउ इसके क्या बन जाएंगे प्रॉपर इंडियन कोऑर्डिनेट दोनों डेवलप एंड इट मूव और क्रॉल्स टू द लैंड। विजिबल है? एस की शेप में when you will make ना तो it look like कि हम हेयर मतलब लिम्स बना रहे हैं, then it will be visible और you can say look उसकी अच्छी आ जाती है। ठीक है जी। नेक्स्ट नेचुरली। ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम। मैम ये क्या होगा? Now after that froglet, the frog will develop, ठीक है, proper उसकी growth हो जाएगी like this। आवाज के बिना when we will make an तेज कर लो। Like this। Why you are talking beta? I told you better to make S like this। Okay?
हमको शाम से पेन से लग रहा है हेड पे